Hey y'all, Rick Sky here, back again from the Appalachian Ocean. And you may not be aware, but the Insta360 X4, if you haven't updated to the latest firmware, be sure to do so, because the Insta360 X4 now features webcam mode. And webcam mode was not present for the Insta360 X4 at launch, but with the most recent firmware update it is. So how to enable webcam mode? Well, if you've got an Insta360 X4, the first thing you've got to do is update the firmware, because more than likely your Insta360 X4 out of the box, unless you're watching this far in the future, probably didn't come with a firmware version that enables webcam mode. But all you got to do is update the firmware for Insta360 X4. Just go into your Insta360 app, go to firmware and update, and then after it's updated, plug it into your computer. I recommend I just use a Thunderbolt cable, USB-C cable, but actually I use a 40 gig Thunderbolt cable and connect it, and it works great. Subscribe to my channel, check out my Insta360 X4 videos playlist, and you can see all of my Insta360 X4 webcam demonstration videos. It's very impressive. You know, if you're wanting a professional looking webcam for your video conferencing, or maybe your live streams or whatever, this is a great additional use case for your already awesome Insta360 X4. And you can expand this video's description and then click the links there to find where to order the Insta360 X4, the invisible selfie stick, and other accessories. And if you got questions, comment below and I'll try to post a video response. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Oh, and look who's over here. Look at this. Y'all didn't expect this, man. We're here at the Appalachian Ocean. You know what that means? That means it's a wild place. Look at this. Look at this. That's George Cooney, man. George Cooney the raccoon, he's like, yeah, he's like, I'd use a webcam mode if I had an Insta360 X4. He doesn't. So if y'all are watching this video, feel free to send a super thanks, not required. But if you choose to do so, you can click that thanks button down below this video. Help to support videos like this one. And George Cooney the raccoon, arguably the most famous raccoon on the internet, here at the Appalachian Ocean. Thanks for your viewership. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.